I wanted to take my dog to Devil's Bridge in Sedona, Arizona, so I tossed him in the plane and we flew there. But it wasn't that easy. Here we are on Devil's Bridge finally. We went the wrong way the first time. Larry, you're getting a little close to the edge. Welcome, welcome. It's a beautiful morning. We're going to be heading out to Sedona in the Cherokee behind me. I just loaded it up with full fuel. We're going to be going through that hole in the clouds there. We've been waiting since about 5:30.
Traffic, Cherokee 50 Juliet, taking runway 25 for a left downwind departure. Airspeed's alive. 40, 60 is very slow. 70, and rotate. Traffic, Cherokee 50 Juliet on left downwind, departing to the east, left. SoCal approach, Cherokee 4450 Juliet with request. Cherokee 4450 Juliet, SoCal approach, go ahead. Cherokee 4450 Juliet, I'd like to get flight flying out to Sedona. And your regular Cherokee, and what altitude are you climbing to? Climbing to 7,500, and we are next to Lake Matthews right now. Cherokee 4450 Juliet, SoCal approach, roger. Reset your transponders, clock beacon code of 7275 and ident. 7275 ident. 4450 Juliet. Wow, we're not going to make it above that. I got a circle.
All right, we landed in Cottonwood. We didn't land in Sedona because the wind was pretty nuts. There was a lot of turbulence, and I did not get the GoPro's recording because I was focused on flying the airplane. But there is just an insane amount of wind here. You can see the dog is blowing around in the wind. We're gonna drive up to Sedona, leave the plane here, and very quick flight out here. Even though we're in a Cherokee, we were going 150 miles an hour because there was a massive tailwind. There's my wonderful rental car right there. It's a Kia, spectacular rental car, the cheapest that they had. So we're gonna go out and do some hikes now. All right, guys, we are out here hiking to Devil's Bridge via Mescal, and we just got back from Sedona Airport. We couldn't fly in there because of the wind, and we were going to be going down this trail to Devil's Bridge. Larry, can I have a comment? All right, let's let go of that. Stop for eating. We're leaving Mescal parking area. We're going to be taking this trail to the Devil's Bridge trailhead, and the reason that we're doing this is because I could not get a Jeep rental because they were sold out, and we had to cheap out and get the Kia. So we're taking the long way, but it's gonna be good. All right, so we've been hiking for 2 hours. I have no idea where we are. The sun is going down, and we haven't made it to Devil's Bridge yet. I made the mistake of letting Larry lead the way, and there are no footprints out here. So I checked the GPS, and we are way out in the middle of nowhere. So we're gonna head back the direction that we know by looking at that peak over there. And there's some animal footprints on the ground, so we're gonna hope that we do not get eaten by anything. All right, so this is the trailhead, Devil's Bridge Trail. We went the wrong way. If you look behind us or in front of me that way, that was where we were supposed to come from. And if you look up to that mountain up there, that is where I climbed to get my GPS signal that led us back to the off-road path that gave us the correct direction to the trail. So we made it. All right, we're walking out on the bridge right now. Devil's Bridge. How was Devil's Bridge?
Perfect. Amazing.
It was good?
Awesome.
Yeah? Is it scary when you get out there?
It's not scary.
Okay. Oh yeah, this isn't bad at all, huh? All right. Here we are on Devil's Bridge finally. We went the wrong way the first time. Larry, you're getting a little close to the edge. There. Where's the center of the arch? Is it right here?
Yeah.
This way? Okay. All right, we're in the center. It doesn't look bad from up here, huh? So we made it. How do you feel, Margaret?
I feel accomplished.
Yeah. Larry's not feeling it. All right, we made it. We're going back. Larry, how was the broccoli? All right, we're at Cottonwood now. The time is 6:55. We're going to be flying over Sedona before it gets crowded, and the conditions now are calm. We're also flying with 1,850 pounds total weight today instead of what we took off at yesterday, which was 2,050. So it's going to climb a lot better, and that's good because we're at a high altitude and Sedona is a little bit dangerous, so we want as much performance as possible. Landing at Sedona can be a little bit tricky because of the winds, but generally you'll land on runway 3, and you notice it sits on top of a mesa, so just to be safe, I come in a little bit high and land a little bit further down the runway. Now you're not supposed to do touch and goes at Sedona Airport, so we're going to taxi back over to runway 21 to take off.
Sedona, traffic Cherokee, 4450 Juliet, taking runway 21 for a left crosswind departure.